There's going to be some kind of construction project going on over here in the dock. Got a lot of things. I'm not going to count the compressor because that's just a trailer. It's not hooked up to any truck, but a lot of Bobcat skid steers, about like 3 or 4 of them over here. Got this asphalt milling machine. I don't know what this is made by. It looks like Liber or something. Yeah, it's unknown. It's not a Brighton or a Caterpillar or Case whenever you'd normally see. Got this sweeper over here. Got 2 steamrollers. Got 2 Caterpillar road pavers. Got a Ford water tanker truck. Lastly, got this miniature asphalt milling machine. Again, I'm not sure what equipment that is, if it's Liber or what.